Shalom. I want to begin first and foremost giving all praises to the Heavenly Father Yahweh, His only begotten Son Yahweh Shai, whom the world ignorantly calls Jehovah and Jesus. The real name of the Father is Yahweh, which means He exists. The real name of the Son is Yahweh Shai, which means He will deliver. I want to give all praises in the ancient Hebrew tongue while facing the east towards Jerusalem. Call halal la Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Akakotash, Barak the Yahweh, Barak the Yahweh Shai, the water. Yahweh Bashim Yahushai Bashim Akakotash. Double honors to the apostles, to the elders of Yasharala, Greatmillstone. Shalom to the 144,000. Shalom to the elect, the nation of Israel, who are the descendants of the slaves, identified as the so-called African Americans, Hispanics, Latinos, and Native Americans. My name is Micah Allah, and today I want to talk about earthquakes. A magnitude 6.9 earthquake kills at least 69 people in central Philippines.
Wala pa na mag-suit sir, wala pa may kuan. Kulap na dito.
Hindi gila, paano gitu?
Narang San Martin. Pero guna pa rin. Lang. Kulap na dito.
Hindi gila.
This is just a quick hit. I'm gonna end it with this right here. Isaiah 29 verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh to Zabawah with thunder and with earthquake and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of devouring fire. All right, and that earthquake got me thinking like of Second Ezra chapter 9 as well, because what does it says right there? When there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars of the people in the world. We're seeing uproars. We're seeing people protesting everywhere. All right, Gen Z protests, overthrowing their governments and all that. We're seeing earthquakes. So the Lord is close, man. All right. We're seeing the same things in Matthew 24. All right, rumors of wars, right, pestilences, famines, earthquakes in diverse places. We're seeing all of that. All of that. Which proves that Yahweh Bashimashai is visiting the earth, man. All right, he is nearby. All right. These are all signs that the Lord is coming back soon. No joke. Yahweh Shai is coming back soon. I'm gonna leave it there. I hope the video is edifying. Shalom.